We will now formalise our understanding of the SharePoint object hierarchy. At the highest level we have the SharePoint farm, and in the object model it is called an SP farm object. Now a farm consists of one or more web services and web applications, and in the object hierarchy the web applications are called SP web application objects. And these really relate to IIS websites. Within a web application we can have one or more site collections, and these are the boundaries that really define security, so we will have users and groups set up at site collection level. And we refer to these as SP site objects in code. As their name implies, an SP site object or a site collection can contain one or more sites. These really are the sites that we as an end user experience, but in the object model they are called SP web objects. SP web objects are really the containers for additional site data, such as lists and pages and so forth. So we have of course an SP list object, and we've used that already in a few demos before. And we have SP list items for each item in the list. We have SP file objects to refer to documents in the documents library. So working with the object model is relatively straightforward. I have a very simple snippet of code on the slide. It iterates through all of the services in the farm and then through all of the sites, SP site objects, in the SP web applications for each service, and then through all of the SP web objects, i.e. the SharePoint sites in the site collection. This other snippet of code actually shows you how to create a new web, but the critical thing is we navigate to it first so we can specify where the web gets created. So we get a reference to spcontext.current.site, and then we can add a web to its root web. All in all, it's a relatively simple and straightforward object model, and we will delve into much more details of specific objects in the object model as we go through the remainder of this course.